To crop an image into a circle, let's go to our elements here and come down here to frames, and I'll select this circle. I'm going to just quickly expand the circle to meet that lines there. Yes. I'm going to go back to my elements again to bring in my image. To put this into the frame, I'm just going to slide it to enter into the frame. If you still want to adjust your photo, you can either click on crop here or you double tap the image to adjust how the photo is going to fit into the frame. You can either choose to download it with a transparent background. That way, if you just download it, it's only this circle that it will have. I want to take this one step further. I'm going to click on the background here and go over to magic background and generate a background. You can now go through each of them and see which one you like best. I think I like this one better. To even touch up this frame, I can go into stroke style here and give it a bit of dash stroke around it. You see that dash stroke around it? I can also change the color of that stroke around it. Let me know if you have any questions. Do have a good one.